After 25 years in the corporate event planning business, we've noticed that the relationship dynamics between meeting planners and their vendors have changed. In the past, these relationships were more personal. There were phone calls, in-person networking events, business lunches, and evening social events. Today, planners seem to be shut off from their vendors. Business is done over email and texting, and the human interaction has been replaced with an impersonal, digital experience. It may be faster, and it may be more efficient. But successful meetings and corporate events are about far more than speed and efficiency. They're about relationships, memories, experiences, all formed human to human, in pairs and in groups. You can't create an experience like this by removing the human relationships from the setup and planning. You can't create a premium in-person experience based on a commodity transaction with no relationship at its basis. We understand that things have changed in terms of technology and doing business in a global market, but we also understand that the need for the human relationship and experience has not. And that's what we bring to your events and to the relationship we forge with you in planning them.